Hey guys, it's Keisha. Thank you for joining me back on my YouTube channel, Side Hustle Keisha. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and push that subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time I upload a video, push that notification button so you're notified. Make sure you follow me over at Side Hustle Keisha on Instagram and Side Hustle Keisha at Facebook. Okay, make sure you follow me on all social media handles. We're talking about today, we're going to be talking about seasonal work from home jobs. So I found a couple of jobs for you, wanted to share with you. If it works for you, please apply and then come back and let us know. Drop a comment below in the comments and let us know if you get the job. But 5 things I want to review with you really quick. When you're looking for seasonal work, I wanted to remind you guys to apply early. That's why I am doing this video, to remind you guys to apply early. You definitely want to be flexible. If you're applying, you want to have options for times that you're going to be available, so that the employer thinks that you are really there and you really want to work, and you want to make it seem like you have a great availability so that they are able to utilize you during the holiday season. Okay, so you want to also make sure you have a positive attitude, and that shines through. So if you get the job, or if you're working, you want to make sure you have a positive attitude, and it definitely shows in in your attitude, how you approach your day-to-day work when you do get that seasonal job. You want to also make sure you're thinking, even though it's a seasonal job, sometimes those seasonal opportunities can turn into long-term opportunities. After Christmas, there's tax season, there's Easter, there's Mother's Day, there's Father's Day. So you definitely have an opportunity to come back or stay on permanent. So definitely, keep that in mind when you're working. You want to definitely show them that you like the opportunity, you want to stay on, you want to be called back when needed. So definitely, that's another tip for you guys. And then just make sure you're showing all your best customer service skills. Most of these jobs are customer service based positions where you're going to be interacting with customers. So you want to give your best and be able to provide the utmost best service. So let's jump into these opportunities. The first opportunity, guys, is going to be working with Godiva. Godiva has seasonal customer service representatives, a remote option available. So I'll tell you just a little bit about Godiva. Everyone knows Godiva is the chocolate company. So if they want to deliver ultimate chocolate experience, they want you to apply. If you're interested in a customer service representative, you're going to be an essential part of providing special moments for our customers. Each day you will have the ability to connect with our customers and transform situations into successful interactions. Godiva empowers our people to make strategic decisions with the hopes of winning and retaining customers. Principal accountabilities. Customer service reps will strive for first contact resolutions regarding order and product inquiries, Godiva Chocolate Reward Club issues, credit card and billing questions, other questions that are needed investigating. So qualifications: previous experience required, and it's preferred. Professional interpersonal skills for interacting with customers through phone calls, live assistance, chat, and email, excellent listening and problem solving skills, excellent written and verbal communication skills. Okay, so the basics, things that you need, qualifications that you need as a customer service rep. So they do offer benefits, competitive hourly rate, employee discounts, flexible hours and remote work, in-house training. Godiva and affiliates is an equal opportunity employer. So they're committed to hiring a diverse workforce. Okay, so here is the opportunity, you guys. I'm going to put the link below in the description for Godiva. If you're something you're interested in, definitely come back, apply, let us know if you get the job. As you can see here, they have part-time customer service representatives as well. You can come here and apply. Let me know how it turns out for you. We want to celebrate you. If you get the opportunity, share it with someone who definitely is looking for part-time work. Okay, so let's jump into the next opportunity. This opportunity is going to be a seasonal work job as well, and it's a seasonal job with work from home customer service associate part-time with Neiman Marcus Group. So I'm I'm looking out here for, and you just would click apply, because I went on here and I went through the steps to click apply. There's some great opportunities seasonally that you're able to work from home. So if you don't want to be out in the hustle bustle and get caught up with, stay clear of the pandemic, there's opportunities for you to work from home and make some extra money aside from your full-time job. So they're looking for seasonal remote customer care associates. The job description: as a leading omni-channel luxury retailer, our goal of bringing customers the experience of everyday luxury begins with the associates. Okay, so this is a remote position, working part-time hours, 37 hours a week. You must demonstrate proficiency managing multiple computer applications for research on multiple brands and ensuring timely follow-up on customer requests and inquiries. Utilize selling skills, demonstrate outstanding communication skills, willingness and ability to take ownership. Demonstrate questionable desire to provide helpful, knowledgeable resolution to all customer inquiries. Self-manage performance to meet personal and team quantitative goals. And then be flexible and willing to perform any other job tasks assigned. The skills: minimum 1 year experience in a service-related role preferred. Demonstrated proficiency with computer applications, basic typing, math, and negotiation skills, right? So additional behavior attributes: ability to work in a high structured environment, internal drive for excellence, and can display empathy, good organization, and time management skills. Training and work schedule requirements: all training for this position is conducted virtual. Okay, so it's conducted virtual, and it lasts for 4 consecutive weeks, Monday through Friday, during normal business hours. It is mandatory that you attend all scheduled classes in order to complete the training program within the allotted time frame. Okay, so there's going to be equipment requirements here. So if this position is sounds interesting to you, look below in the description box. The link will be there for this job, so you can check out if you meet the requirements for this position. Or if you have a friend, make sure you share that opportunity with them as well. So here's a third opportunity. This third opportunity is going to be with Mattel. Mattel has a lot of customer service jobs, seasonal home agent, and they also have evening training. So you want to definitely come over here and check out this job opportunity with Mattel. These two I'm just going to give to you really, really quick. I gave you the 2 detailed jobs, the most recent jobs, but I wanted to share these last 2 bonus opportunities with you. Check out Mattel if you're interested and you love toys. They have some great opportunities. I saw opportunities where you work with American Girl and some other brands. Okay, so the next one would be this is with HSN. HSN also has Florida full-time seasonal work at home order service reps. Okay, so they have several other opportunities for work from home. You can definitely come over. The job is still open. It's been posted for a while because they try to hire in advance for the seasonal, and I'm sure due to COVID there's probably some delays, but take a look at these opportunities, apply, go ahead and see what happens and get back with us. So this position, you must live in these particular areas. So this is for Florida state only. So you must live in the DeSoto, Hernando, Hillsborough, Manatee, Orange, Palm Beach, Glade, Charlotte, Hendry. So come here and check out this opportunity. But if you go to the careers, they have a lot of work from home opportunities. I'll put the link in the description box, but they have a lot of work from home opportunities. So definitely check out HSN and let us know if you get the job. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. My goal is to keep these videos quick, fast, and short, and just give you these opportunities that I find so you guys can go ahead and do the further research yourself. I hope that I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great night. Thank you. Bye-bye.